and welcome to FreeTechTV. Today what we have for you guys is just a quick video here, but it's going to be an unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sennheiser's HD600 headphones. Hear how they sound and go over it with you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy this video here. Make sure to subscribe. More videos like this coming every week to you guys. Let's get into it. Alright, so we see here that comes in sort of this rugged packaging here. Sennheiser's HD600. And they're claiming that it has natural sound. It is a open earback headphone, meaning they are not isolated. Sennheiser. And here the Sennheiser's HD600. So included in the box, you get kind of a screw-on tip here. The headphones sound really good, as you would expect from headphones of this price range, especially Sennheiser, a well-known brand. The only thing that I don't like about these headphones is the open back. I'm used to more isolated sound. When you put these on, you certainly can hear everything. It doesn't cut off any of the outside noise whatsoever. So you'll certainly, if somebody's talking, you'll certainly hear that really good. So it's just kind of open back headphones there, nothing isolated. But the sound, definitely impressive. Sounds really good. So that's it, you guys. Just a quick video here on the Sennheiser's HD600. Great headphones. If you like this video and want me to do more headphone reviews, certainly let me know in the comment section below. I'd like to thank you all again for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next video. Subscribe because more videos like this are coming every week to you guys. Have a great day.